This is how to use AMD fluid motion frames on the ROG Ally. The first thing I would recommend anybody to do in order to use this feature is to update everything possible on the console. I would start with the Windows updates. To do this, you can do through the My Asus application. You just tap My Asus. If you don't have it, please install it. Go here, and once you're in the application, you will need to go to System Update and make sure everything in here that the essential Windows updates are already done. After this is done, you will need to do the specific ROG Ally updates that can be done from the Armory Crate. To access Armory Crate, press on this button. In the Armory Crate, in order to check for updates, you will need to go to Content and then Update Center. Hit check for updates. Make sure to do all the updates you can that appear in here. Once these are done as well, you should go back to your desktop. I usually press this button and then show desktop, and then you need to go to the AMD software itself. Go to Windows search, check for AMD. In the AMD software itself, you'll need to go to Gaming, then Graphics, and below the presets, you'll have each individual customizable option. You can see it right here. If you've done the updates correctly, you will now have the AMD Fluid Motion Frames option. Make sure to enable that. As you can see in the top right, I already have my system monitor enabled, the one that the console gives you. And in this new update, you will also have a fluid motion frames icon. If you don't know to enable this, you will need to go to the shortcut command center option, press it, and you can choose which type of real-time monitor you want. Short one, medium one, or the full one. So once you're in game, in here, the small fluid motion frames icon should show more details about this feature and on how it performs in the game. Now you know how to use fluid motion frames on the ROG Ally.